In the last video, we learned how to apply one condition while retrieving data. Let us now look at how to retrieve data which is satisfying multiple conditions. Multiple conditions can be applied using the and or operators. And operator is used when we want that all of the conditions are satisfied, whereas or operator will be used when we want to retrieve the data with any one of the conditions satisfied. Let us look at the syntax. We select columns from table name, where this will be the condition 1. After this, if you want to have an and operator, we will write and. If you want or operator, we will write or, and then we will specify the second condition. We can continue doing so. We can have n number of conditions. Let us look at an example. If we want to get the customers whose age is between 20 and 30 years, we can do this by using the and operator. So these customers will be satisfying the condition that their age is more than 20 years and their age is less than 30 years. So we will select first name, last name and age of the customer from customer table, where age is greater than 20 and age is less than 30. Let us go and write this in pgadmin. Select first name, last name from, let's add age also, from customer table, where age is greater than 20 and age is less than 30. Let's run this query. You can see 5 records are retrieved and age of all these 5 customers is between 20 and 30. Now if we want all the other customers, that is customer whose age is less than 20 or more than 30, we will be using the or operator. Let us write that. Select first name, last name, age, where age is less than 20 or age is greater than equal to 30. Let's run this. You can see all the customers who have age less than 20 or age less than 30 have been retrieved. These are the other 5 rows of the table. Apart from and or, there is one more logical operator called not. Not operator is used to negate a condition. So last time when we found out that there is one customer with age 25, if we want to find out all the other customers, we can just use not. So let us write this example where we are finding out all the customers with age not is equal to 25. From customer table, where not age is equal to 25. So this will give us all the customers with age not equal to 25. So last time, if you remember, we got 3 records. Our table has total 10 records. These are the other 7 records. Now you can use this not operator along with and or operator. So for example, if you want to specify that you want to get all the customers with age not equal to 25, and the customer's first name should not be J. So both of these conditions can be applied simultaneously. We will write select star from customer table where not age is equal to 25, where not age is equal to 25 and not first name is equal to J. You can run this to see the J records are also removed. Now we have only 4 records in the result. So these are the 3 logical operators which help us put multiple conditions in the same query. Next, we will learn how to update or delete rows from our table.